alien eggs. Can't miss them. They're big and they glow. Get the eggs, stow them in molly, and get back alive.
Want something?
Time to earn your paycheck, team. Got a doozy of a swarm underway.
I call for the mule. Need to get my pickaxe sharpened when we get back.
Ready. Lightning!
Swarm! It's a big one, team. Ossarian bone collector. Those critters are highly prized. Get after it.
Red sugar! Molly! I was made for mining. Molly was meant for hauling what I mine. At least we don't have to haul all these minerals around ourselves.
I got him a barnacle. Lloyd! Maybe visit the retail store.
I ordered a resupply.
Supplies are on the way.
Resupply arrived. Go restock.
I'm taking some of the
Grabbing
ammo.
ammo. Really much better. Ready to kill some more crate.
You snooze, you lose. Where is it?
Are you blind? Look over here. Sicily. Ready to blow! Nuke bug pop. Die like your mother's dead! Feel much better now.
A dwarf never thought.
Could really go for a cold brew right now. Getting supplies! Out of my way! Booyah!
I was born ready.
Brace for impact! Yeah! Your hip burn! Never felt better! Yeah! Give me some sugar!
All eggs collected. Management will be pleased. Escape pod button is activated. There are rich Ossium deposits in your area, team. Put your pigs to work, but keep an eye out. The Ossarians will not take kindly to your presence. Good progress, team. Still some bits of Ossium remain. Stick it all in the mule and get out of there.
Not ready. Bears recharging. Next time, let's go somewhere else.
Good job. That should be every Ossium gem. Finish the mission to collect your bonus. Drop pod en route. Hang in there.
Ready to kill some more crate. Much better.
Point is up. Attention!
Hold your tin
Drop
ass.
pod has arrived. The mule has been called back. Drop pod departing in T-minus 5 minutes.
Oi! Ludicrous speed!